Okay, so this is the first time Braden is gonna eat more or less solid foods. Here we have a sweet potato.
You want to try some sweet potato? What do you think?
You like it?
Want to try more? Oh, I think we like it.
It tastes good, right, Braden? He's like, Mom, I'm not really sure what to do with this stuff in my mouth.
Like we take the vitamins.
What's the... Are you gonna swallow it?
I was like, I don't know. Why is everybody staring at me?
You gonna swallow it?
Here you go.
He's like, I don't know.
You want to try more?
Oh yeah, like a big boy. I don't know if he likes it. He's like, it's got a very strange texture. Oops, I did it too much.
Ah, it's good. We like it.
You had real boy food. You're a big boy now, Braden. A big boy. Want some more? Yeah, look at the airplane. Look at that.
Как вкусно. Ой, как вкусно. Да.
It's good.
Еще давай. Как.
He's like, how do I take it out of my mouth?
Wrong direction, Brandon.
What's the matter? You don't like sweet potato, Braden?
It's okay, Mommy doesn't like it either.
Are you swallowing any of it, Braden?
He swallowed some. He did just eat, don't forget, so he might not be particularly hungry.
Let's look at Mommy eating. Yeah, Mommy eats it like a big girl.
Go warm it up a little more.
Oh, straw, Braden. Did you like it? Did you like it? Yeah. Did you like it? Did you like it? Did it taste good?
You want to try a little more? Yum.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
How's the pool going? It's slowly filling up. Yeah, it's going to take a while. Well, that's a small pool. How long will it take? It'll take like 2 days for that whole big one to fill up. More.
Yeah, tell
More
me.
sweet potato. More sweet potato.
He's like, oh no, not again. You want to try some more?
Braden's like, oh, gag reflex.
Almost, no. Doesn't taste like milk, huh? Right, I think that one went down. Sort of.
Raw emotion. No hiding it. No trying to be polite. Look, you can have it back, thank you. I'm like, what is this? Every time I smile and laugh or open my mouth, you give this stuff to me. No stop, Raiden. It's good? You like real food? Yeah, it's good.
This one's a little warmer. Let's try this. Did Eddie make it down your throat?
He's like, I'm trying not to.
How can I spit this out? Want to try a little more?
He's like, I don't understand. I was a good boy. Why are you torturing me? He's like, no.
No. And you want it.
None of that.
Oh. I think a little went down.
He's like, if it did, it was by accident. Well, what's the matter, Braden? You don't like it? He's like, thank you, can I have it back?
Okay, here you go.
Okay, Braden. Say bye, camera. Say bye. Bye, we'll try
You
again
were too
later.
personal.